In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable automatic audio dubbing of your videos in various languages. So if you no longer need audio on your videos to be translated in various languages, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and disable automatic dubbing. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so to disable automatic dubbing, go ahead and go to your YouTube Studio. So I'll click on YouTube Studio here, and this will take me to YouTube Studio. From this, head to settings here, and then go to upload defaults. Under upload defaults, click on advanced settings, and then scroll down until you see automatic dubbing. As you can see, currently automatic dubbing is enabled on my YouTube channel, and I'd like to go ahead and disable this. So to disable automatic dubbing, and check this first option called allow automatic dubbing. As you can see, it is currently checked. So if I uncheck it and then click on save, now automatic dubbing of audio on my videos has been disabled. So if I go ahead and check now, and again upload defaults and advanced, and then come down here, you can see automatic dubbing is not allowed or has been disabled. So that's how you can disable automatic dubbing of audio on your YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.